Hi there guys, I just wanted to do a little review on this camera. Now, it is made of plastic. As you can see, there's day and night filming, waterproof, low power standby, sensitive activity, record with an SD card. So with this camera, there's no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You have to put a memory card in it, which is maximum of 32 gig. With this camera you get a strap. There's the feeding dish, but there's got a larger feeding dish on the camera. There's a water dish, a mount. They both come together, that bit goes on there, and the wire to charge it. But in all fairness, I charged it 3 days ago, and it's in the garden now. It's 1080p. I haven't taken any photographs on it yet, just videos. I'll add the video to this video and let me know what you think. I think it's worth £30. I wouldn't have spent any more, but for a small garden, I got a small garden, it's ideal. But it's not just that, you can put it on the floor as well and put hedgehog food in if you want, so hedgehogs can try it too. So yeah, I'm pleased with it, and for £30 you can't go wrong. Peace.